Good morning traders, it's me Ali and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of the precious metal gold. Guys, as we can see on the 2 hourly time frame of the precious metal gold, gold has violated the symmetric triangle pattern that started somewhere around 2072 level with the low of 1870 level, and right after that market bounced off to test the high level of 2014. That's where the second leg of or the second dot is connected for in order to form the symmetric triangle pattern, and finally the symmetric triangle pattern is violated on the lower side. On the 2 hourly time frame, we can also see that the gold has formed a bearish engulfing candle, which is crossing below 50 pairs exponential moving average somewhere around 1981. So this is suggesting that these sellers are still dominant in the market. Investors are feeling confident about the US economy since the release of FOMC meeting minutes, because there is no discussion about rate cut or the further quantitative easing, but there is a like neutral sentiment extended by the FOMC meeting minutes, and also the Federal Reserve signal to cap the movement of the rate of the bond yields. Anyways, coming back to the technical side of the market, for now the precious metal gold is pretty much likely to show us a correction, or in other words we can say a bullish retracement. And with that being said, market is likely to go on the higher side. On the way, it is likely to find resistance somewhere around 1965 level once again, which is, guys, this is 1965 is the same level which was providing resistance to the precious metal gold somewhere around in the past on August 13th, and later on this level was violated, and then for now this particular support level, the resistance become support level, has already been violated, and now the support level which has already been violated is pretty much likely to provide resistance at 1965 level. And if we speak about the 50 pairs exponential moving average, this is also there, and it may provide the bullish a strong resistance somewhere around 1971 level. While on the lower side, typically such kind of whenever we have a bearish breakout, I'm expecting that after showing some bullish correction, market can continue to drop down. If that happens, the first thing that we have to keep an eye on is 1928 level, because until this level gets violated, we are not going to see further selling bias in the market. Therefore, as soon as market violates 1928 level, we can expect a selling momentum in the market, and gold prices can drop until 1908 level as well as 1881 level. If we speak about the leading indicators, the MACD and the RSI are holding in the selling zone. As we can see, like the histograms are being formed below zero level, and the RSI values is still staying below 50, and the current market price of gold is staying below 50 pairs exponential moving average, and there is a breakout of the symmetric triangle pattern. So everything is in support of a selling bias. So let's wait for a slight retracement until 1965, and then we can probably expect a bearish trend continuation in the market. So guys, that's all for now, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click on the like button, and also subscribe our YouTube channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon button, because as soon as we post the new analysis video, you are going to get the notification and you will not miss any precious setup from our side. So have a very profitable session ahead, guys. See you guys soon with the next update. Until then, bye bye.